Good morning, students. Today we will start our 10th lesson, Indian agriculture. Means what is the status of our India in the agriculture system? Agriculture means beta kheti badi. Our country India has fertile land, good rainfall, tropical climate and available of natural resource. Means according to rainfall, according to some tropical climate means our India experience that type of climate that are suitable for the agriculture. Means many natural resource also in this soil. That's why our India is known as the agricultural country. Okay, majority of the India population live in villages. Means mostly people are living in the rural area. Okay, not urban area, rural area. Almost 57% of the people those are living in our India, they are engaged agriculture and related occupation. Means they as a occupation, as a profession, they are involved in the agriculture. 50% of the people, they are involved in the agriculture system. Our country is essentially an agricultural country. Okay, the growth of Indian different crops has been possible due to proper means of irrigation. Means then why our India is an agricultural country, then how, which type of crops are growing here? Okay, the growth of different crops means our India having the different types of season for crops, and due to the proper means of irrigation, and means all facilities we having. Okay, irrigation means water supply, how to do water supply for the crops. Okay, means we having the some natural resource like canals, and our under the surface water level is also good. Modern facilities, improved variety of seeds, means now people are using modern techniques for the agriculture. Like that in the last ancient time, people don't having this type of equipments for the agriculture. Okay, now at present they are using many modern equipments for the agriculture like tractor. Okay, any others also, those are engaged for in the agriculture, they know very well. Means how many types of equipments now in the modern time people are using for the agriculture. Okay, between 1960 to 1983, India's production increased 3 times because of increased use of fertilizer and machines in agriculture. And this period is known as the Green Revolution. Means that type of question can come in your exam. What is the define Green Revolution? What is Green Revolution? Then in simple language you can say that in that period food production is increased. Okay, due to modern techniques, that is known as that this period is known as the Green Revolution. Means in that time government has also supports to the farmers. Okay, they have given many facilities to the farmers, and they provide farmers to good fertilizer, good pesticides. That's why food production increased in this period. That's why this period is known as the Green Revolution. After that, crops and season. You know very well, our India having the two major seasons for growing crops. First is the Kharif season and second is the Rabi crops. Okay, Kharif crops या Kharif season is starting from the monsoon in the rainy season. Okay, and beta these seeds, these crops, okay, are ready for the harvest in the month of October. Those crops are growing in the rainy season, means in the June, July, when people are growing here rice, okay, paddy, that time. Okay, but these crops are using ready for harvesting. Harvesting होता है cut करने का. Now this time is going on. Okay, now farmers now cut the crops. These crops are ready for the harvesting now. And these which types of crops are growing in the kharif season? They are growing rice, millet, jute, maize and cotton. These all types of kharif crops. Now Rabi season. Rabi seasons are starting in the month of October and continue through winter season. Means those crops, that type of crops are growing now. Okay, they will grow now after the cut of this crop. Okay, like that wheat and barley, oil seeds. These crops are known as the Rabi crops, and these crops are growing October, November and up to March, April. Okay, harvesting type of these crops in the April, yeah, March to April. Okay, after that types of crops we will do tomorrow. I hope you will watch this video. Okay beta, take care. Thank you.